everybody, it's Rick Southwick here at Plantation Bay Golf and Country Club. I'm standing outside of 706 Aldenham, our Blossom 2 townhome. This house is 2,078 square feet. Got a nice paver driveway and walkway, two-car garage, some nice stone accents. This is basically a maintenance-free home. It's 2 HOA fees here. They total about $230 on a monthly basis. Take care of all the exterior maintenance for you. As you can see when we come in, we did tile throughout. We've got 42-inch cabinets, nice tile backsplash, granite countertops. Again, downstairs is the master with a nice walk-in shower with a bench seat. You've got another guest room downstairs. And then upstairs boasts a mini master suite as well as a bonus living area. Screened in covered lanai here with nice views of the water feature behind. Got quartz countertops on the vanities. This home is move-in ready. You can come on down to Plantation Bay, check it out. We'd love to see you here. Stop by the sales office. We'd be happy to show it to you, and you can make this home yours